shadows, I still hear your name. Fading lights, but I can't escape the flame. Try to let go, but my heart still chained to the memories of love that still remain.
Staring at the ceiling, thinking about your face. Every whispered promise I can't erase. Your laughter echoes in my empty room. Every heartbeat hums a familiar tune.
You can tear me down, I'll rise again. Through the pain and fear, I'll hold the end. I'm addicted to you. Every tear, every sigh, through every storm, through the endless sky.
When the night falls hard,
I'll call your name.
our fire still burns. It's a timeless flame.
Lonely streets, neon dreams, I walk alone. Every shadow reminds me of what we've known. You're the reason I keep fighting through. Even broken hearts can still feel true. Lift me higher when the world turns cold. Wrap me in the fire, let a story unfold. All my scars turn golden in your light. With you beside me, I can face the night.
I'm addicted to you. Every word, every touch. Through every fall, through the pain, through so much. When the darkness comes, I'll still remain. Our fire still burns. It won't fade away.
Empty highways, whiskey skies, I see your reflection in my weary eyes. Every step I take, your shadow near. Even in silence, I feel you here. Yeah, yeah.
No goodbye can end this flame. I whisper your name through the rain. Even if the world falls apart tonight, I'll love you forever, holding on
Addicted to you.